In order to use Envato Elements to generate AI videos, head over to your Envato account, and once you're here, you just want to look at the top area. These are menu options here, and you can see Gen AI. It's a drop down, so you can click on it and you can see some more options. We're going to look for video. Right here, you can see video, generate videos from static images and text prompts. So go ahead and click on it, and we're here. All you need to do right now is to type in a prompt, apply your preset, and get to generate. So of course, as you can see right here, AI Video generate immersive scenes with the latest AI models. Of course, you have your input area right here where you can type in your prompt. You also have your presets. You can choose from them. You can see different presets. Click on the X after selecting your preset, and then you could also see the aspect ratio 16:9 and 9:16. You also have some more options right here, such as sound and speech. So you could go ahead and type in your prompt. Then of course, if you want to have a start frame and end frame, this is pretty much up to you. And once you're done typing in your prompt, you could go ahead and click on generate. Do take note that you need to be on a subscription plan to be able to use the generative AI on Envato Elements.